To all who hate the JLP government of Jamaica, we ask you a favor. Please, a little favor, please. Left you know. Stop making your head out on you. Stop stress up on yourself. Stop beat up on your gum. Stop complaining, man. Left ya. I want hold on ya. There are two airports in Jamaica, one at Kingston and one at Mobile. Please, play now waiting on. Oh, we don't have no fear. There's no problem. I will give you the money. I'm not lending you. I will get money and go and make all of them go away. Just send you no name all of them where I live Jamaica and go away. Go on.
No. Why? I saw them looking and I wondering what is happening. Standing in front of us, this is some YO members. And they have some pans. It's the collection time, comrades. Time to give back something to the People's National Party. And we know you come with it, comrades. Because, comrades, time come, comrades.
You see why me have to be a Labour, right? You see why me have to vote Labour Party? Because Jamaica Labour Party, Labour mean to work. Labour mean to work. I remember I got the PNP conference the last time. I go last year because me is part of media. And trust me, when I go there, me not go there in a green brief and a green mind. I just go there to see what I offer. It's not like someone want to change my lifestyle. I want to switch. No. It's just a comparison to see really and truly what I go on, because you have to have data. You have to have the eyes of the Labour right everywhere. Trust me. Last year, on an old offering, on tell the people them the time come and old life hard, and them can't buy bread, and them can't buy sugar, and them can't buy corned beef. And the little money want to claim, so they give them the $5,000 for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it will come back in the arena, a hold on the hand, and take back the money in a. You know, so the people them shock. Even the presentator upon the stage say, me no look surprised. The people them shock. Over 10 YO member, PNP, YO youth member them have saving pan like where you buy them from down a town, put in your house. Them have it a work. Me did most of the vote Jamaica Labour Party. Me, I did vote Jamaica Labour Party.